up, YouTube? It's your girl Nikki
and Tony,
and we're back with another video. Today we are vlogging.
Yes, we're finally vlogging.
We have some new updates for you guys. Fitness, or what diet starts tomorrow, is that what y'all say?
Yeah, so we're working on a project here, as you may or may not know from my main channel. Basically, we have an extra room in the house that we're working on setting
storage
up
right now for him.
So let's just check this out. This is down in the studio, and this is the room we're working with. So I finally got in recently the all the rest of the boxes for the wall, or the sticker wall back there. So basically all this right here is going to be out within, hopefully by next week. So I'm trying to buy Super Bowl.
All his shoes and stuff.
And like this needs to get picked up by your dad. He needs to get this. This is the stuff I was talking about.
Oh, okay.
So we are going to be using this room for photography, as well as our mini fitness gym. So
what does that mean? What do you mean fitness gym?
I'm trying to lose weight. We're building a treadmill.
Ah.
Building a treadmill. Like right here. That's what I was thinking. Right there.
That corner?
Yeah.
Okay, for now.
Yeah. For now, I mean, I like it right there. I mean, honestly, like that's good. And then when we get the photography stuff, I honestly feel like we should get like a roll up when they put the photography should be done right here. This closet should be closed because that window offers natural light straight through. I mean, we could do it in here too, but you know, we'll figure that part out. Let's first, I gotta go ahead and clean this.
Yeah, Tony gotta clean this out so we can install our new treadmill and test it out, right?
Yeah, so.
Yay.
We're gonna be moving this transferring everything. Transfer for now. So yeah, this has been a very big project. I will be selling a lot of my sneaker collection too. Well, you know, not a good amount. That's why everything's been really slow, cause man, we moved in, but it's just a long process with all this, when you got all these damn sneakers.
Well, no, it's not that long. You just work a lot.
I don't work a lot. I just work like a normal person.
You work every day.
Like a normal person. Normal people work.
Hey, Leona. The cats are here.
So this is my Reshoevn thing. Shout out to Reshoevn for setting this up.
Yeah, it's actually really nice when you turn it on.
Yeah, they got my video on it too.
Oh, really?
Actually, it doesn't. But I can put my video on it. I have to do that. So I'm gonna be doing that very soon. Putting my video.
Installing it.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, that video should be up tomorrow. With not.
Reshoevnator. What's your code?
Tony D2 Wild.
Use that Reshoevnator code. Found a coon back here. There's a coon in the back. So the treadmill is in the garage. Yeah, but I gotta lay one more thing. I got a mat. I bought a mat too. So let me go get that mat. This is a standard like workout mat for the treadmill to lay on top of, so that like no oils or something, you know, from the was highly recommended by who? Everybody in the customer reviews and by Amazon. Amazon recommended it as well to buy this along with that. It smells funny. Yeah, it's rubber. It smells really latexy. Yeah. Okay. Now. That is a strong odor. Yeah, so now we gotta get the treadmill. Treadmill. Can you carry the box or do I have to help? I probably don't need your help because me and the UPS man carry it. Let me do it. Let me get that. No. Twist it. We're gonna lay it down and we'll pull it. Push it. Holy shit. Oh my god, it got all of that? Yeah. Oh my god. Y'all, the struggle. We're gonna go in there, babe, because. God, I didn't even do anything and that got me tired. Shit. Alright, the package is coming. Let them know how heavy that was so I don't look like a pussy.
It was very heavy. I almost broke my back and my nails.
They're gonna be like,
from
man,
the little effort that I put in.
Alright, Leona, get it.
Come on, Leona, move out the way.
Pull that in, babe. Bottom. The bottom.
What are you asking me?
Like, something's always flat. Let it.
Okay, hold on. Let me put this down. Should you have openness in there? Or you can't?
There's just not enough room. Won't get enough room for that. It says it's about an hour or two.
Put that up?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is the treadmill unboxing. What are you thinking about?
There's wheels. There's wheels. Some wheels right here.
Take off the ground. That was a process. So we got the little guy on here. Now Tony's getting all the rest of the pieces. Installation. So Tony's saying it's gonna take about an hour.
That's what they said.
That just took us about what, 20 minutes?
Probably, I don't know.
To get it out the box.
Yeah.
Tony asked for Dr. Pepper. He's thirsty. And while I was in there, we had this for dinner last night, so I made me warm me up a little slice of pizza.
You guys really believe
Mellow mushroom is delicious, y'all.
What a way to show we're gonna be good in shape. They're gonna really believe.
Memory card actually got full and I was eating my pizza and I finished my pizza, but now we're back to setting things up. Tony's getting there. He's putting the little dash thing on there. Whoa, you turn it on?
Mm-mm.
What was that?
My foot sliding.
Oh. I want to feel a little bit productive, so I'm going to take this out the bag. Let's look at this dash. Register your machine. Weight loss workouts. And yeah. So we can go up to 10. Does this do incline?
Yeah, manual.
Oh, manual incline?
Yeah, you have to basically like just lift it up.
Tony is now installing this part. Look at him being a handyman. July. So yeah, this is how it pretty much goes. Like whenever we have handy stuff, Tony takes over and I just supervise.
Okay, something falls on me or something.
I just gotta make sure you're doing it right, you know.
Like
and I help, you know. When you really need help, my talent, then I'll come in. But for the most part, I just supervise.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it is for every man in the world.
No, I mean I can get in there and do a thing or two if I wanted to, if I need to. But
well, I guess
I just gotta make sure you're doing it right.
I guess that'll be the next video. Then we'll let you like do some crazy stuff. I'll make you install like something.
I'd rather supervise.
Why?
Funner.
Funner? That's a word? I didn't know that was a word.
Funner. Emergency stop key.
That nobody uses.
People use it if they're going too fast and they're about to break their lives. Got pull on that thing.
It says register, I guess. You can plug it in, babe.
I get the honors?
Yeah, I'm taking these boots off.
Yeah, he got Tim's on right now. Okay, plug it in. It's in.
Alright, you ready?
Is it on? Do the lights turn on?
Mm-mm.
This is not attached to anything.
It's I plugged it in down here. Hand me that. Hand me the paper. It's broken already, man. God damn it. How to turn on the power thermostat. The key is inserted in manual mode. What the fuck?
Should I try a different plug?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now?
No.
Does that plug even work?
You can try that. You can plug something in to see.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, there is a switch apparently.
There's a switch?
Yeah.
Wow. I heard it beep.
Yeah, so we were just a little slow at the moment.
Tony was slow. He didn't read it right.
You're supposed to be supervising, motherfucker.
Did I have the rules? No. Oh, your dropping stick. The switch is on, y'all. I want to see Tony run. Yeah. You think Leona would run on this?
I don't know. She'll look at it.
Okay, we're ready for the first attempt.
Damn.
Ooh. How does it feel on the feet?
Let me see something. Oh, you can go up to fucking
That's 10.
10.
You doing 10?
Nah, they ain't doing 10 yet.
Oh, you get in there? You're gonna need that red thing, huh?
Woo! Bruh, babe. If you fuck up, you're going into the wall, bruh. Yeah, it's good.
I don't know if I like that noise.
This ain't no fucking Planet Fitness belt. It's also these socks. I think over time it'll get better.
Treadmill life.
You wanna try it?
Not right now.
Get your phone, put your phone right here. Get your water right here. You good to go.
You just need your iPad.
I'll put my iPad right here.
Put a movie
Water,
on.
put a movie on and just
Like that.
yeah.
And that's it, right?
Yep. And that's
That's
it.
how you set up a treadmill by Tony D. Too Wild, right?
And you run for 5 minutes and you did your job.
It wasn't even 5 minutes. It's only
You
a
did your
minute.
job. You're losing weight.
That's all we got for you today. Treadmill's up. Workouts coming soon. Right, baby? While he's drinking that Dr. Pepper.
Yeah. If you like more vlogs of our days and stuff,
Of random stuff.
let us know. You know.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, we love you. It's your girl, Nicki.
Tony.
Peace.
Peace.